This website is literally going to teach you how to fix anything. It's actually called ifix.com. And when you come to this website, it's so easy. You can actually repair anything. I mean anything. Your devices, you can come over here and you fix them. Find solutions, find guides, all right here for you. So, how does this website work? So let's come over to this search bar and let's take, for example, I'm gonna search for iPhone, for example. So we have iPhone. Now this website is going to teach you, it's going to show you how you can actually fix your iPhone, ranging from the phone battery to the screen, for different models. Okay, this iPhone 11, for example, how can you put your phone into recovery mode? You even have Wikipedias that you can actually use. So this is so easy. Okay, just come over to this website and get your things done. So let's come over and just pick iPhone 11, for example. I'm just going to click on iPhone 11. So you can actually repair it. And what I mean is that you can literally fix anything. It could be the battery, it could be the charging port, it could be the display panel. I mean, so many things. So you don't have to pay an engineer or a technician to fix it for you. So let us click on charging port and let's see how to fix a charging port. So this is iPhone 11 charging port replacement. You have a short introduction on how this thing works and all of that. It gives you an image definition. You can see image. There are pictures actually there that are actually going to help you. That's going to guide you. You can see tape over every cracks and all of that. It shows you step by step how you can actually fix your charging point for your iPhone. I mean, this is crazy because it's going to save you cost. You don't have to visit any engineer to fix stuffs for you. It's so easy, super smooth and easy. Let's come over let's click on battery. I think this is going to be the last one. Now you can actually learn how to fix your iPhone battery. Yes, it's an inbuilt battery, but here's even where it comes very, very super smooth and easy. It has a video guide.
No
When you
matter
click
how
this
well you
video
treat your
guide,
iPhone
it's going to
11, the
show
battery
you the tutorial how this works,
powers
how
it
it
won't
shows
last
you
forever.
everything. It's going
iPhone
to lose the
batteries
battery,
last
show
on
you every
average
single
around
thing.
500
Okay,
cycles, which means
that
after 2
is
years of
it.
use,
Watch it.